Emmo Spurt Pro. All new. Emmo is coming out with a full UL 2849 lineup this year. Wee wee! And this is a new model. So here's our unboxing. Ooh, I like the color. Oh, there we go. Okay, it comes with the front stand. I'm already hot just from that. Ooh, I like the tires. All right, I forgot tools. I go get some tools. Clippers. This is coming in 2 batteries and I think 3 colors. X-Acto knife. Look at that, a 3-spoke mag. Metal fenders. No. Plastic. Which you think is cheaper, but it's actually better because if you hit it, it can't get bent. And when you get rollover like gravel or something like that, the metal makes a lot of noise. So the plastic's quieter. Oh, what a gorgeous color, right? This does come with tools, which will be in the box, but not this tool. Ooh. Ooh. Can you see down my shirt at all? No? Okay. Maybe a couple extra views if you do. Oh, that's nice. Crank's nice, chain's nice. Battery is already on it. Charger, pedals. I was hoping there would be touch-up paint. So don't scratch it. That's a nice protector on there. Oh, nice. So they've got the quick adjust handlebars, which is such a nice feature because not all the time, like your rides can change. Some days you want to have your handlebars more forward so that you're in a better position for long distance and endurance. And then sometimes you just want to chill. So you put your handlebars up, your seat down, and ride it like more of a cruiser. So almost there. Warning sign. Ensure the handlebars and stem are tightened and secure before riding. Failure may cause bike damage, property damage, and injury. Clearly, isn't that obvious? We finished it. Here is the all-new Spurt by Emmo. What initially, my first impression, what do I like about it? I love the signals. I love the paint color. I love the quality of the components. This is big, but it's not too big. Remember, this comes with bigger batteries. They could have done better on the seat. Like that's a disappointment. I'm not gonna lie. This is your 29-inch tire. This is for your tall people, most definitely. They don't give frame sizes. It's always tire, but I'm 5'3". I could ride this bike, but I'm not going to. They come in 2 batteries, 15 amp hour, that's $26.49, and a 20 amp hour, which is excellent that they give that option for only $150 more, so $27.99. You can easily get 200 kilometers per charge, like easily. If you don't do a darn thing, flat road, no hills, I think you're 50, 60 kilometers with no pedaling at all. So that's a big battery. It's definitely a girthy frame. This is not a lighter bike. When you get this bigger frame, it's going to add a little bit of weight to it, but also a 20 amp battery, bigger amp hour, bigger battery, they add to the weight as well. The seat, yes, it's got a really convenient handle because people always pick up by the seats all the time. We do. So I love that they put a handle there. I love that they put 2 options to where you would want your water bottle holder, right? That's kind of nice. They've got the much brighter front lights. They've got the integrated rear light with brake, and they've got signals, and that's safety. I love that. And then you can also change your light so that it flashes if you put on both your signal lights. So you can create flashers by putting on both your signals. The fact that you can have a one-touch handlebar adjustment, so this literally just push this down, it even gives you the arrow. You lift this up, look how far that goes. So push your speedo forward, get this all the way up, and now you are adjusting this wherever you want. So yeah, they come in 4 different colors. It is a beautiful bike. There's no doubt about it. There's only 2 things I don't like about it. It is the grips. I think I like grips that have support here. So just the grips and the seat. Other than that, I can't find anything that I don't like about this bike. I love satin, but you do need to give it a wipe, right? If your hands are greasy, you're going to see fingerprints, but how beautiful is that? Yeah, 2025 UL 2849 certified. So you've got an intelligent battery monitoring system. This is as safe as you could ever want. It's got thicker discs. Can't wait to ride it, but not yet. There's still snow on the ground. So yeah, thanks for watching.